What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and I'm back with another video for you. And you already know this is gonna be another hotness, okay? We don't do nothing on this channel but hotness. And of course, with this, we are continuing that series for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And in this one, we've got 3 cases from Spigen. You already know this is gonna be one of my favorite brands to do unboxings for and then give you a little bit of a flavor of a review on it, my first impressions. What we've got today for you is gonna be the 01 case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Then of course, we've got the Ultra Hybrid with essentially the MagSafe ring. I call it MagSafe, even though they want to call it something else. They call it the metal ring on this one, okay? And of course, also we have the liquid air design case for it. So we got 3 cases I'm gonna get open for you, get them on the phone, let you check them out, give you my first thoughts on them. And then of course, as always, if you think you want to pick one of these up, instead of just going straight to Amazon, y'all could do me a huge favor. Still get you to Amazon, but just use the links in my channel description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. First one I'm gonna look at is probably my favorite. So I'm gonna start off with this. I'm a little biased. I do like their 01 cases that they do for all these different manufacturers of phone. Simplistic, pull tab at the top with all the Spigen. They here to play, okay? Pull this out. This is the case right here. So it's gonna have a protective plastic on the outside and the inside for it. This one, from what I can see, I'm gonna try to check on it here just to make sure real quick, but from what I can see, it does not have that magnetic ring. This is just gonna be all design, okay? All design. This does have a see-through backpack. Holy crap, I just said backpack. It has a translucent or see-through back and sides. Essentially, the case is all you're gonna have is this design. Again, it does not appear, from what I can research shows, that this has magnetic or MagSafe or anything like that Qi 2 capability. So I'm just gonna pull off this interior tab to get this started. Pull that off for you, real simple. Bring the phone in. Okay, so all of our buttons are on one side. Okay, let's bring in a quick microfiber cloth to clean this off, because I can't put my phone in there when it is dirty and looking janky. So let's clean out the sides. Make sure it goes in there to its new house nice and clean. Okay, start off with one side, push it in there. Pretty simplistic for the installation. Okay, pop in one side, pop in the other, bam. So okay, let's check out what does this case got going on. So on the bottom, you've got accurate cutout for your microphone. Looks like it's got a pretty hefty cutout for your USB-C. This is gonna be your speaker right there on the bottom. Look at the size, looks pretty good, Okay, it says it has air cushion technology, microphone at the top. I believe that's for the 5G radio right there, but it's not a cutout, but you can see it, so it's pretty cool. Then on the side right here, you've got your power button. You've got your volume up, volume down rockers. And you actually would have a place, so if you're a person that rocks to rock a lanyard, you have a place to use that as well. On the back, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tab off just so it gets out of the way. On the back right here, looks pretty cool. This is the way the design looks. Okay, so I've got the white phone, remember the white phone? This is how you can expect it to look on the white phone. So it almost comes out to looking like a gray. Looks like your phone is gray with the white phone with this 01 case. You got a raised lip for the camera bump. It's ever so slightly raised above the cameras. Try to get that on the frame. But all in all, looks pretty good. So on the front, you do have a raised lip there. Bring in my little prop right here. So basically, let's see. It's about 1.5 booklet pages. You know, we're real scientific around here. But all in all, this looks like a pretty good case. Let me go ahead and get to the next one. Next in line, we've got this Ultra Hybrid one-tap metal ring setup. So this is gonna have that MagSafe or the Qi 2, however you want to refer to it, on there. Same thing with this one. You have plastic on the inside and the outside. Check out the plastic on the outside right here. Y'all know one thing that I'm always concerned though with these cases is how they're gonna hold up over time, like meaning scratch resistance, fingerprints, oils, things like that. So we got the outside. Let's take off the inside one as well. And let's bring in our microfiber. So we pop out this phone. We try to keep it as clean as possible. So we got the phone there, fresh and so clean. Give it a little quick polish. Pop in this new case. So I can tell y'all something right off the rip. I can see fingerprints. So if you are a fingerprint fiend like me, this clear case might not be the one. Because like me just opening it up, got a few fingerprints right on there. But speaker cases are really easy. So you can see I just popped it in on one side, popped it in on the other. Easy fit. about the same raised lip that the last case had, okay? And don't forget, I've got a screen protector on there, so it gives me a little bit of a raised lip with the screen protector. You're gonna get the same cutouts on the bottom, right there. Nice opening for the USB-C. And you can see I got a piece of lint stuck in there, so it throws it way off. But other than that, it's showing you all the greatness of that white phone. Same raised camera lip, you can see right there. The cool thing about this phone that's different than the last one that I just opened up and put on there is this one on the four corners actually has almost like a raised lip. I'm trying to get this on camera, see if you can see it. See right there? This little bit of a raised lip, I guess, a raised corner. But it does have the lanyard set up on just like the last one. You can check out your buttons, all that fun stuff. So basically everything else is the same on there. Only concern with this case, y'all, is going to be fingerprints, how they show up and how this holds up to scratches and stuff like that, okay? But to be honest, for the price, about around 20 bucks, you can't beat this case too much. Like, you get what you pay for, okay? So again, this one right here is a pretty nice case. Again, this one runs for about 21 bucks. I'm gonna tell you right now, at the time of this video, the Amazon reviews on this one are kind of low. So that does not give me hope on what the longevity of this case is gonna be. I'll let you make the decision. My first impression is just like I mentioned to y'all, right? How's this gonna hold up to fingerprints and how's it gonna hold up to scratching? I'm not even talking about if it's gonna yellow, but I'm just giving honesty around this channel. Like, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not bought by anybody. I'm just giving it to you real. I gotta lie to y'all, this one is a little bit difficult to get off. Holy baloney, man. What the heck did they put on here? Man. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, last one is gonna be the liquid air case for this. This is just a good classic. Like, if you just want a cheap, basic case, it's not super protective, super simple, this is gonna be your case. Like you see the packaging, it's just easy. Nothing fancy. This is gonna be that really flexible. I'm gonna look this up because I want to tell you guys what the actual materials that they use here. But this one is gonna be super flexible. This is TPU. So they say TPU on this, but it's very flexible. Don't expect this to survive a drop from a plane or anything like that. But again, 17 bucks, straightforward case. You already know it's gonna go on there super simple because of how flexible this case is. There you go. Same amount of raised lip on there around the corner. I'm trying to get this on the screen for y'all so you can see. Raised lip cutouts, you already know, going to be the same. This one right there on the bottom. On the back, a little bit of a raised lip for the camera, same as our other cases. There's your buttons. And this one that I got it in the, I think it's called green. Let me see what this is. This is in abyssal green is what this case is. Abyssal green. So there's the front, there's the top. Oh no, again, this is a no frills, just cheap case. Throw my phone in it. I'm not worried about being super protective. I just want to get a cheapest case, get it in there. Very simplistic. 17 bucks for this case. So for the clear case, give y'all, again, this one actually has pretty good reviews for the $17 no frills case on Amazon at the time of this video. The next one, which is going to be this yellowing clear case from Spigen, it's kind of got mixed reviews on there. I'm gonna say middle of the road reviews, about 2.8 stars. $22 for this one. 17, 22. Again, I already gave y'all my concerns about this one in the long run. And then last on what I unboxed is going to be our 01 case. So let me give y'all my concerns and my thoughts on this one. This one is $20. Again, about the same reviews as our clear case, about 2.8 stars at the time of this video. This one is 20 bucks. My concerns in the long run is going to be fingerprints and scratches on this one. So I'm gonna try to get this in the screen and show y'all on the video, but can you see right there? That is a big old fingerprint, and I haven't even taken this case out of the room. So big old finger. So again, if you are huge on fingerprints, if that bothers your OCD, this is not the case for you. This is not the case for you. I feel like this one might hold up a little bit easier to fingerprints and body oils and stuff like that, but also it'd probably be easier to keep clean and wipe down if you get those things. These two, I mean, I'll be honest, y'all, I think the protection level is going to be the same across all three. This is the best reviewed on Amazon. So 17, 22, and 20. Make the choice, see which one you like. I've showed you how the phone looks in either one of them. I'd say across the board, you're going to get the same level of protection-ish. I just checked on this 01 though. I didn't notice the first time I looked at it, but the corners do have that kind of raised bump on there as well. But anyways, make your choice, whichever one you think. My favorite is gonna be actually the cheapest case, which is that liquid air. There's another cryo case that I wanna get if they end up making it for the Pixel, because that is my favorite case that I've been using on my S24 Ultra. All right, this is going to be a little cut in before we actually end the video, because I forgot to mention something really important for when I was actually going through and checking out all the cases, and it's very important to all of you, okay? So for all three of these Spigen cases that I reviewed, that you just watched the video for, all of the buttons, as far as like how tactile they were, when you clicked them, how they felt, They are really good, okay? So that was not a downside across any of these phones, okay? So all of the phone cases that I reviewed, all three Spigens, the buttons were very tactile. They felt really good. So there's a factor to keep in mind for these phone cases. Let me close this out because it's been a really long video. It's your boy Bobby G. Stay tuned, y'all. Again, a review video for about a week's use is coming out. Check out the unboxing video, screen installation video, y'all. Just support, show some love, like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Bobby G.